Hey, yo. Welcome back to Sherman, Illinois. Sherman. We're at the corner of 1st Street and Ramblewood. Guys, just did a successful battery check. So, yeah, the battery's gonna last us roughly about an hour. We should be good for the whole day. And yeah, definitely try to make up some time too, and not stop as much, and not stop as lengthy time as yesterday at the at the Shell station. But that, guys, I needed that because, yeah, my feet were just getting it from that wind. But we are, guys, we are on a smooth, very super smooth surface in a super cool small town neighborhood with these beautiful homes. And look at some of these homes are amazing. Big. We're cruising with the wind. We got a 31-degree day coming up on us, so in about an hour it's gonna hit peak 31, maybe even more. So we're still not at the peak yet. It's only 12. Guys, what's more, what more do you want? What more do you look forward to? And tomorrow we got a day of about 42 to 45 on the way. Wow. It is just getting better and better for us. We got gas stations like every 5 minutes today. When we don't need one, and the first one to come up when we needed them yesterday was like after 3 hours. The irony in that, guys, huh? Andrew Road, make a right at that stop sign there. Sports Bar and Grill, guys. The final. All right, so we're gonna go over the freeway here. Wow, so we're gonna hit hopefully right before that big hill up there. We're gonna make a left down some beautifully wooded trail. There's Highway 55. Okay, so Don't get me in there. Don't get me in the ditch, guys. All right, so guys, we've got something here called Route 66 Heritage Trail, Sherman-Williamsville multi-use trail. Wow, Heritage Route 66 multi-use trail, Sherman to Williamsville. It's showing like it's about 4 miles, so beautiful, guys. Exactly what I just thought about. And I think there's some people walking there. Or perhaps they brought their bikes too. But guys, behold yet another beautiful trail. And this one is super smooth, super new asphalt. Wow. Job well done, Sherman. And oh no, these guys are walking their dogs, so we might have some drama. Should I get the sausage ready? Nah. I think they'll be able to control them. And I think there's only just one dog going for a walk today, and they got him on a leash, so we should be safe, guys. Wow, look at these properties around here. Beautiful rolling hills. Wow. Imagine having a country home out here, huh? Look at that. And a creek down below to fish, or a pond. Oh, it's a labradoodle. On your left, guys. Hey. Thank you. Yeah, there's a nice creek below here. And yeah, somebody's little private pond. Probably with many fisheries stocked in it. So hey guys, this is beautiful. So 4 miles of this with the wind, with the sunshine. Come on, guys, let's be joyful and sing. Come on, guys, don't make me sing. Don't make me sing. Yeah, you guys don't want to hear me sing. But yeah, this looks like a floodplain here with all the big trees. There's even like sort of like you can see the water level on some of them. I bet this creek fills up first. Yeah, because it's frozen partially. And then if they get massive big waters, wow, look at these houses, guys. These are beautiful. Oh, there's a tree you can walk across the creek. Beautiful. Guys, behold nature.